Hi friends, welcome to the video. We are going to have a lot of fun activities in this session. First we are going to make this beautiful soil and the grasses and some of the ants are just moving here and there. We have all just created with the help of the clay. Next we are going to make a beautiful tree with the help of the bubble wrapper sheet that we are pasting according to the shape of the tree, and at the bottom we have pasted the green colored sheet. This will represent the garden. Then you just have to paste down the tree trunk and some of the fruits with the help of the modeling clay. See how beautiful and easy this painting is. Our next project is very simple and easy. For this you just need some of the sketch pens and some of the colors. You just need to trace down the coconut tree like we have been making here. You can just pause the video so that you can clearly trace it down. This type of the painting is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 11. All you just need is some of the practice of the drawing. Then you just need to fill it with some of the colors. Now with the help of some of the seashells we are going to make beautiful butterflies, and the grass we have created with the help of the colorful green paper sheet. Then you just have to paste these seashells using the hot glue gun. After that add the further details like the antennae of the butterfly. This one is so easy and the good. See how we are creating some of the flowers with the help of the paper. This painting is very good. We are now showing you the other activity. For this we are making use of again the modeling clay and some of the colorful sheets of the paper. See how many beautiful flowers we have created out of the modeling clay, and we have again created some beautiful honey bees with the help of the modeling clay. Let's try to trace down a cone. For this you just have to trace down your hand according to the shape like we have placed. You just have to place your hand in the similar way. Then you just have to make the outline. This type of the painting is very easy and it's very less time consuming. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 7 to 8. All you need is just some few beautiful colors. We are filling it with the yellow one and it's a sketch pen. You can use the crayons as well. For this painting we may require some of the wax colors. See how we are creating some of the stock of the beautiful plants that we are going to make with the help of the modeling clay, like we are adding some of the tiny little circular spots around the branches of these plants. This painting is very easy and is best suitable for the small kids between the age group of 8 to 9. At the end we are going to draw the honeybee again with the help of the modeling clay. We are adding some of the details with the help of the sketch marker. Next we are going to make some of the trees with the help of the sketch pen. We are making the trunk. After that we are placing some of the modeling clay and we are using here multicolored, like you can see the pink, purple and the green one. This painting is very easy and it's again best suited for the small kids. This one is so good and give it a try. Let's trace down some of the cherries with the help of the modeling clay. For this you may require some of the tools, like the scraping tool is used for making the veins of these leaves. Then this one will become very easy. This painting is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 10. If you have been assigned any project for making some of the fruits out of the clay, then this one is perfect for you. You can definitely go for this one. You can make use of fluid for adding the further details and the marker as well. It's very easy and most importantly it's very less time consuming activity. Let's try to make a flower bouquet. For this we are making use of the highlighter pen that's pink in color. See how we are creating these circles. Now with the help of the water and the paintbrush we are going to spread the color so that it will become more good and natural. After that we are going to make use of the tissue paper so that we can create the holding wrapper of the bouquet. This one is so easy and nice. Don't forget to place a bow at the end. Thank you.